And I'll show you what this looks like. It's just, you're looking at structure, meaning like, so if you've got a couple of fractals, that's a really good way to see structure. But if you're buying, you're looking at the low, that's structure. If you're selling, you're looking at the high, that's structure. A good way to see that is fractals, right? Supply and demand kind of concept. So you're looking at the overall high, and then you're adding a 1 ATR to that, the overall high, the overall low. We say a couple fractals back because it gives room for that. So like 3 to 5 fractals back in general is what I tell people. If you caught this perfect one, that's fine. But when you catch a move like this, you want the 3 to 5 because you want this room, right, to survive this and be right. I don't think taking a loss is a problem. I think the problem is take this move right here. You had that previous impulse. I'm going to close this. I'll pull it another time. It's just taking too long. Let's say, cool. Let's say you're selling. You've got a retest of the 50. When your stop loss is too tight, you're taking a lot of entries here. And if you're, again, a 1% trader, you took 4 or 5 times. Now your psychology, your mindset's all kinds of messed up. Your account is down 5% if you took this 5 times, right? And now you get to hear you're burnt out. Most people don't take that 5th or 6th trade that does win. So for me, I'd much rather have that bigger stop loss, okay? And say, okay, cool, I'm going to give this plenty of room. And then if I do have to take another entry, like I probably will on US 30 this week, it's fine. I can live with that. I can handle that as 1 new reentry, maybe 2 new reentries, versus I lost 12 times and now there's no win that I can get that's going to make up that many losses for the most part.